Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to navigate in Revit. Therefore, you need to go to View. You have here the 3D view. If you click on it, you will open a 3D view. Here you see that it's the different tab. So if I go back to the first, I see that there are multiple tabs. Here you see now the Revit environment. I use my scroll wheel of the mouse. I pull it back and I pull it back to front. With this functionality, you can zoom. Then if you have a mouse with a scroll wheel, I always advise you to use a mouse with a scroll wheel. If you push the scroll wheel, you can pan. And if you push the shift key on your computer and then hold the scroll wheel, you can rotate. So you can zoom, scroll with your mouse, and then rotate by holding shift and your middle mouse button. If you click on something, for example, I click now here. So I select it with my left mouse button. You see here in the properties, the environment's changing. So this is now a family wall. If I say, for example, I want to use this door, then it's curtain wall. If I say I want to have this, then it's a link, Revit link. You also have roofs here, for example. So these are the categories. This is now a roof. I selected it. And if you push your right mouse button down, so you select something, right mouse button, you can say browser, previous path, zoom to fit. You have other functionalities. In this case, I want to see, for example, if I click on this element, you see here above selection box or like this. What's happening now? I draw a selection box around this object. A selection box, it's in the properties. So if you go down, you see section box. So scroll wheel, left mouse button selection, right mouse button, you can recreate a command, and you have the shift key with your middle mouse button, with your scroll wheel. You can also say here selection box or section box. I don't want it anymore, and your view will reset. So play with it for the first time and make sure you use this and you get familiar with it.